face off. Spirit of a lion describes my soul. Give it up to Zion, then my fire grows. Wishing of a riot inside my lobe. And my tripping is the highest when I fight my foes.
Pip, I'ma hit him with this. You bout to get your kicked. My technique is so sick, I'm about to make the hit quick. Whole lot of muscle, you don't wanna be in a tussle. Better than me, that's rubble. You want trouble, what's up though? Feelings hot to kill a top gorilla, dropping nil to pops to grill the op. For real, your clock and yield to stop your will. A shot, the deal was knock you till you plop. I got the hell coming your way. You softer than the thing in your play. Never competitive with a better kid to go great. Gonna be dead because I fell into the low grave. When you wake up in that wet blood, ain't no way you about to get up. How you know that I text you got and check stuff, always gonna have to pay cost. When you stepping in my way, boss. When I build still and you stay soft, you're gonna punk out when we face off.
Rumble, they gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off.
Rumble, they a young man, they rumble. Run up, get a combo, quickly help you understand, but stay humble. Don't nobody wanna talk about the way of the world, to make them all crumble. And I might stumble, but I pick myself up, brush myself off my thoughts of a goddamn ball. I am at their neck, like I'm Malcolm X, like I'm Dr. King, like I'm Cornel West, like I'm UEP, like I'm Booker T, like I'm Rosa Parks. Some of these I'm back, I've been up in your house, get up all in your couch, knock you right in your mouth. I ain't never no clout, nigga really go south. I'm prepared to go to battle whenever there is a bout. I am Muhammad, Ali up here in the homage. Policy is to be honest, I take it beyond it, though I can relate to Ebonics. And really, I hate to be ominous, all of your hate is too obvious. I am the hustle, the muscle, I pray for the audience. I am a gangster with knowledge, if you wanna enter the ring, I would hate to be opposite. Jab with the right, jab with the left, jab with the right, they got them all staggering. He gon' come back with the right back, with the left, that's when he step to the side, now dagger. You gon' be dead if you do damn, if you don't bounce, and I'm like cash is my swagger. Really don't matter, part of them harder than lawless, so my shit, kicking that jargon.
Rumble, they gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off.
Bomber cave off, I'm giving it fade. Based off the description I gave, cut the game off. I'm a street fighter, beat the brakes off like the whip on the stage. Hand out as ribbons, my play haters ain't off. You get Hitler mistake, gonna be chaos like an emerald chase when I face off in the Nicolas Cage. Yeah, I'm living in rage. Prison is bad, but we're sitting in this for the go. I'm in the dark and told me they forgive me, but they didn't. I remember them days and I don't wanna be Batman. Bang, literally had to been a minute. My fancies a little bit killer, really been sick and burning. The more I think about it, my life was twisted. Wait, reminiscing of my dad would wonder why they couldn't reach it like they didn't have my number. Fighting from insanity, I never had the hunger. Underground quick, that's a bone. Shock, I'm like a master's brother. Better pick your battles, busters halfway under. Hit more time than acupuncture when it comes to rumbling. I'm Afro Thunder. Really, it be funny when I kick it to you. That means I'm gripping on the iron when I'm on the mic because you're really wicked like I'm kicking it with buddies when I pick up like I was. I gotta tell them they don't wanna tussle when I'm at them, they gon' drop. Wait till the December when there's something across. They humble like them, we can drop. Cause really we can rumble like Jackie in the Bronx. We gon'
rumble, they gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble, they gon' take your face off.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours. Like in some more in my veins, my culture banging with strange. I change the game, so what's good name? What they gonna get though? Desecration, defamation. If you wanna bring it to the masses, face to face, now we escalating. When I have to, but mean on ya, like a dream. When I'm rumbling, you're gonna scream, mama. So bring drama to the King Brahma. Fight at you with extreme mana.